In a quiet suburb, Maya boosted savings by launching a monthly bulk buy club and a neighbor repair night. The plan pooled groceries and tools, swapped spare parts, and shared practical lessons from fixing common appliances. Her first swap blossomed into a workshop where a toaster was repaired, fabric scraps traded, and skills learned. Meanwhile, Raj lowered costs by auditing energy use, sealing drafts, swapping to efficient bulbs, and renegotiating a mobile plan. These real stories prove budget living thrives when communities share, learn, and implement small, steady changes together.